Hi, I'm Gabriel Vasquez, a certified professional teacher from Caracas, Venezuela. And today we're going to learn how to talk about existence in Spanish. In English, you use a combination of the word there plus the verb to be. There is, there are, there will be, etc. But in Spanish, we use a structure that is a little bit different. What we use is the verb haber. As you know, in Spanish, all the verbs end with ar, like caminar, hablar. In like comer, beber, or ir, like dormir. Well, in this case, we use haber, which ends with okay? Haber. Fortunately, unlike most verbs in Spanish, the verb haber doesn't change to match the subject in the sentence. Let me explain. For example, with the verb to be in Spanish, one of the verbs to be in Spanish, which is ser. If you want to use the verb ser, you have to make some changes to make it match the subject. For example, yo soy Gabriel. I am Gabriel. Tú eres Gabriel. You are Gabriel. Or él es Gabriel. He is Gabriel. As you may have noticed, the verb changes to match the personal pronoun, in this case, the subject of the sentence. But with the verb haber, there is no need to do that. Fortunately, all we have to learn is something called the impersonal form. In present tense, it is just I. That is all you have to say anytime you would have to say there is or there are. Let me show you some examples. Hay una manzana. There is an apple. If you wanted to say there are two apples, you would use the same word, hay. Hay dos manzanas. This simplifies a lot using the structure because you don't have to learn any conjugation. All you need is the word hay in present tense. Let me give you more examples. En mi casa hay un perro. There is a dog in my house. If you want to change the number or even talk about someone else, you would also use hay. For example, en la casa de María hay 3 perros. There are 3 dogs at Maria's. So, as I said, this simplifies a lot the process, and all you have to do is to learn the word hay for the present tense. In the next lesson, we are going to work on how to talk about existence in the future and in the past. Thank you for taking my lesson, and see you later.